Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Before watching this video, don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe. Today I want to tell you about cryptocurrency or bitcoin.com. Survivability in times of crisis, internet outages and cyber warfare. Based on investor explains. Based is a social platform that combines elements of YouTube, Twitter, and torrent. It is collecting in on half a million users and growing fast. Based is built on the premise that social media should be Web 3.0, decentralized with an open source code, distributed node infrastructure, and no corporate entity to control it, like the Bitcoin model. Based on the user enjoy the content and moderate that content based on transparency errors, while bloggers and other operators earn packaging. Daniel Shatsokov is the investor of Bison. He recently rejoined the Bitcoin.com news podcast to talk about topics such as protecting online privacy, censorship, resistance, and how to build for survivability in times of crisis, internet attacks, and cyber warfare. Daniel worked and published in the fields of quantitative finance and machine learning. In 2015, he was a winner of the prestigious Peter A. Bernstein Award for the article in the Institutional Investor Journalist. Daniel's mission in investing the Bison was to ensure that people can govern their own communication without arbitrary censorship. From learning confrontation, Daniel is fascinated by the potential of Bitcoin to help score human freedom of choice and to disrupt not just finance but many other quasi-monopolistic industries. This is the link to the big supplement set that started a captain podcast as mentioned in the podcast. Bison can be accessed on Bison.com, but the most censorship resistant way is to use the Bison desktop app, which can be downloaded here. You can listen to the full version of the podcast here. The Bitcoin.com next podcast feature interviews with the most interesting leaders, founders, and investors in the world of cryptocurrency, decentralized finance, NFT, and the metaverse. Follow us on Spotify and Google Play. Okay guys, maybe just this. Thank you very much. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. See you.